When Shiloh Jolie turned 18, she applied to have her name changed. She is removing the Brad Pitt surname from her name, much like many of her siblings have done. There were rumors going around that she had taken out an ad to make the announcement. That isn't precisely what took place. Furthermore, Shiloh Jolie is elaborating on her reasons for removing Brad Pitt from her name via her legal counsel. Shiloh Jolie-Pitt was the name everyone knew of her until she turned 18. The Jolie surname was already being adopted by a few of her siblings. When Shiloh became 18, she applied for a formal name change. Although teenagers are allowed to alter their names, it must have been easier if she didn't need permission from her parents. She allegedly purchased a newspaper advertisement to announce her name change, according to a rumor. This was a lie, as anyone acquainted with the name change procedure may know, and Shiloh's legal representative want to set the record straight. Peter Levine, Shiloh Jolie's lawyer, discussed the rumor concerning the newspaper advertisement and Jolie's name change with Page 6. Levine emphasized, Shiloh Jolie did not run an ad announcing any name change. He went on to add, and any press reporting that is inaccurate. The newspaper contained a legal notification. This is required by law in many places as part of the name change procedure. In this instance, it proved to be sensational in the eyes of some, but most of the time it's innocuous. Occasionally, it can be deadly. Levine clarified, I have to publish a legal notice because I am Shiloh's attorney. Because anyone wishing to change their name must comply with California law. That legal notice was published in the Los Angeles Times, as is required, Shiloh's lawyer went on to say. Levine continued by advising different media to be more careful in their reporting. This is accurate, he said, especially when covering a young adult who is merely following legal process and has made an independent and significant decision following painful events. In particular, Shiloh has submitted an application to become Shiloh Nouvelle Jolie rather than Shiloh Nouvelle Jolie-Pitt. Indeed, she filed that on her 18th birthday. Brad Pitt appears to have distanced himself from his kids for the majority of the last 10 years after a traumatic flight where he was accused of abusing both his ex-wife Angelina and several of the kids. Angelina responded by filing for divorce. In reaction, Brad Pitt has reportedly been acting vindicatively by waging a costly legal battle against both his ex-wife and himself. Like with her siblings, Shiloh's name change is only a representation of the current situation.